We're at the airport right now.
Nagamalfunction ba sa mag-coffee?
It is our first time to fly together as a group.
Dito na kami sa Sony office.
We're on our way to Magic 89.9.
Wow. And the next generation of Filipino talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the boys of AO.
Hi guys, I'm Enzo.
And I'm GV.
I'm Renzo.
And I'm TJ.
Yes, I'm Zach.
I'm Patrick and we are
Hi guys, a little update and a quickest one. We just finished. Thank you Magic 89.9 for having us. We had so much fun. Ayo official is leaving the building. Hey, nice to meet you, Sonara. We are
Here at Monster Radio RX 93.1.
Ang galing, you guys are just like starting off, but parang kitang-kita yung, the brotherhood.
We think that A really represents us. Going back to the meaning Maayo, we believe that each one of us individually has really strengths.
A year na lang.
2006, you're the youngest.
Thank you, Monster RX 93.1.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Sony office. We are having our lunch and dito na din kami mag-prepare for Wish 107.5.
Yeah. If you want it. Ice.
Mayroon kanina mo niyo.
Sino tawag ni Wishband?
I'm here.
Yes, go!
I don't need to tell that I'm here.
Dito na kami sa Araneta. We're just waiting for our turn. Hara yung unang nakasaalang and we're excited.
Take over. So ngayon, nandito kami sa van. We're just waiting for our turn sa Wish Bus. And yes, we're very excited to perform and actually, medyo marami ng tao. Guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa bus.
Kung tatanungin ka guys, what is your biggest wish? Bus?
Let's go, boys! Let's do our best.
We went through all of that to get here.
Yes sir, congratulations.
Hi guys, we're back sa Sony office and at this moment is nagpa-practice sila ng TikTok. Dancing with Sir Cholo. Dancer with Sir Cholo. Ganun pala. Oy! Oy! Oh, oh, oy! 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 Oh! Hi everyone, so today it's our 4th day dito sa Manila and it is going to be our press con and mamaya is pupunta kami ng Eastwood for contents. Actually, pupunta kami mamaya sa DZRM. Basta marami kaming radio tours na pupuntahan sa aming Manila stay. So, yun, abang-abang lang guys. Hi guys!
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you po. Thank you so much. Tapos na kami sa aming first. Tapos na kami sa dalawang press con interview and meron pa kaming I think dalawa pa. So after this, we're gonna eat and proceed sa ating media day. We're done. Guys, kumakain na kami ngayon. We're having our lunch. Kakatapos lang namin sa aming mga interviews. So, recharge muna.
So what is the square root of 16 times 8 minus the...
The square root of 16 is 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 square root of... Bye. So recharge muna before mag-proceed sa aming mga next ganaps.
So kumaliwa ka, tapos kumanan ka, tapos kumaliwa ka.
Hi boys! Hi! Where are we going?
Barangay LS!
Woo! Shoutout sa mga talaga.
Hi guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa...
GMA para sa Barangay LS na yes day.
Bilang galing kayo sa Davao, nag-incorporate din ba kayo ng something from your roots bilang taga Davao sa inyong music?
Yes po, actually, we incorporated ay Visaya lyrics po.
Yes.
Di ba mahirap yun yung kumakanta kayo tapos sumasayaw kayo ng ganun?
Sobrang po, mahirap talaga.
Di ba?
Yes po.
Hindi ba kayo nihingal?
We're done guys. Tapos na kami sa aming GMA radio guesting.
LS Forever Request.
Kamusta guys? What are you feeling?
I'm feeling ecstatic by Anika.
Anika.
Kasi guys, maganda yung performance namin din. For me.
I'm feeling electric.
Uy, cottage.
So good, guys.
I feel electric boogaloo.
Yeah, Bonel!
So yun, masaya kami guys na tapos na ang aming GMA. So, on to the next one.
Jill, see you
Thank
there.
you, mga
kabarangay. Thank you mga kabarangay. Thank you mga Vel. Thank you Forever Request and Barangay LS.
Thank you mga kabarangay.
Hope to see you again soon. Babalik kami.
So ngayon, medyo umaambon dito sa ulan. Ulan ang ating weather. Pero laban lang, bes. Laban lang. May kakaibang angkas na dinadala. So tapos na kami guys. So ngayon is pupunta na kami sa ABS for our DZMM. We're here.
Grabe ang galing. At lahat sila nagmula sa Davao, lumipad ng Maynila para i-pursue ang kanilang P-pop career. Oh, di ba galing?
Of course, nandito yung center ng industry, so nandito yung mga other P-pop groups and all.
Okay.
So from Davao po, parang we have this certain hunger na we want to prove then and to be heard dito. And also, we have a representation sa different cultures and diversity po ng not just Davao but Mindanao.
Oo.
Tapos na ang aming PCR. But sadly, di ko nadala ang camera.
Oh,
sad daw eh. But it's okay. We had fun.
Mag-forward.
Kamusta ends? Yung experience natin sa
masaya guys kasi it went well. And we're excited to do more.
Puhon. Yes! Yay! Congrats boys! Tapos na ang aming day.
Bye-bye! See you tomorrow!
Hi guys, good morning. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Sound East Check. So yes, binigyan ako ni Kuya Enzo ng gamot kagabi kasi guys, actually, grabe yung lagnat ko guys kagabi. Ay, hindi naman grabe yung lagnat ko pero alam mo yung chills? Grabe yung chills ko kagabi and grabe din namin talaga binugbog yung sarili namin kagabi. But everything's worth it naman guys and I'm so happy with our results. So ngayon, nandito kami preparing for the sound check and on the way kami sa Fort Santiago. Yes, Fort Santiago. Grabe guys, nakaprepare talaga kami sa sound check kami lahat. Nakaligo kami, nakaayos kami. Tingnan mo. Ang fresh. Itong pinaka-fresh ng mga tao later. So, yun lang sa masasabi namin. Huwag kayong lalapit sa amin. Hi guys, so currently kami punta na sa venue.
Nagsabi na ako.
So, ngayon, kanina umuulan. Ngayon, sobrang init naman. So, hindi ko na naiintindihan ang panahon. So guys, story time pala. Quick story time. Matagal ko nang gustong pumunta ng Fort Santiago talaga. Like, sobra. Like, bata pa ako guys. Like, literally 9, 8 years old. Hindi ko gusto pumunta sa mga malls, sa mga anything. Gusto ko pumunta sa mga historical places. So pumunta kami ng Luneta Park, pumunta kami ng ano yung kalimutan ko, basta pumunta kami ng Luneta Park talaga. Napilitan ng mama papa ko pumunta ng Luneta Park at ayaw nila. Pero unfortunately hindi namin napuntahan kasi ang layo. Wala ng oras. So look at that. Umuulan talaga. Mayroon. Babayan. Grabe ang ulan. Guys, ang aking oxygen. Wait, fun fact. Hindi ako mawawala. Hindi ako makakaalis ng bahay or hindi ako magpo-function well if wala itong dalawa sa buhay. Electric fan and phone. Yan ang lifeline ko. Yan ang aging oxygen ko. Hello po, so kakatapos lang ng soundcheck and kami ay pauwi na. So isang song lang ang soundcheck namin kung grabe ang lakas ng ulan. And guys, may na-friend ako na organizer si Ate Zah. So tapos na kami lahat prepare and make up. So on the way na kami sa... Saan?
Fat the music!
Yes! Tama, mali. Tama.
Hi guys! So ngayon dito na kami sa waiting area. Waiting na lang kami to perform. So na-perform natin yung mga first performers. Yes, kami na next guys. Just woke up talaga. Oh my god. Good luck to us.
Yo.
I don't need nobody, no reason for me to be. May corona, I don't need to tell it out. No one like me, I'm cross. I don't need to tell it out. We can work it out, work it out. You deserve better. I will treat you fair. Just a little more time.
Guys, so happy kami na makita kayo dito sa Manila na nagpa-perform today.
First time, Enzo. Yes, bro. What do you feel na this is our first time performing here?
Hi guys! So kakatapos lang ng aming performance kanina sa Fat de la Music sa Intramuros. So ngayon, ito kami sa podium and kakain kami ng Samgyup! Let's go! Say hi! Ilan na nakain?
469,840.
Red! Gusto ka na?
Kaya pa. There's always room for more.
Ito kayo Zach.
Oo nga eh. 10% pa lang nakain ko.
Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon pero it's currently 10 p.m. 10:06 and ang flight namin is mamaya pang alas I think morning pa. So, kung hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta, I think maglakad-lakad kami pero yes. So yeah. Hi guys! So meron na kami sa airport right now and pauwi na kami. So this is the end of the vlog. So yes. Bye guys! And thank you for watching our vlog.
We're just grateful and we want to show also our appreciation.
Hi guys, I'm Enzo.
And I'm GV.
I'm Renzo.
And I'm TJ.
Yes, I'm Zach.
So I'm Patrick and we are...
Ayo!
Yes, sir!